In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your old RC tires so you can reuse your wheels and save some money. Here are some of the things that you'll need. Links are in the description. Otherwise, check out your local hardware store. Let's go ahead and dive into this. First thing we want to look at is the hex on the wheel. Check for wear and tear. If there is damage to the hex, it can be thrown away because it can damage the vehicle. If the hex is good, we can remove the tire. Using a pair of curved tip scissors, we're going to want to cut the tire at the sidewall in the front and the back. Be careful because our test dummy almost stabbed himself. Make sure all parts of the sidewall are completely cut off to ensure an easy tire removal process. Once cut, take off the tire and any foam insert, and we are left with a strip of rubber on each side. This leads us to our next step, breaking down the glue holding the rubber with acetone. Put the wheels in the bucket beforehand so we know how much acetone to add. Pour just enough acetone to cover the entire wheel like so. Once filled, this batch of acetone is now good for multiple uses until it gets super dirty. Cover the container and then let sit for 36 to 48 hours. Put on a pair of latex gloves and grab some rags for this next step. Grab a wheel out of the container and you'll notice the glue holding the tire has been broken down by the acetone. As you notice, some science happened here. You can now grab the remaining pieces of the tire by simply pulling them off and discarding them. Using your rag, wipe off the wheel until dry. When you finish removing the wheels out of the bucket, you'll notice some rubber and foam debris. You can either grab it by hand like we did, or you can use a mini skimmer like the ones used in fish tanks. There you go, a renewed set of wheels to glue some tires on. A second chance at hitting the track. Thanks for watching. We hope this tip helps. Until next time, Cullen and Stunt Dummy out.